Today the experiment which we are going to do is about making a gas. This experiment is available in your textbook on page number 60 and 61. The previous one was about 60 and now we are going to do about 61 page. Instead of getting the glove, I have used this balloon. Alright, I have used these balloons. Alright, I have used this bicarbonate soda, you can see. Alright, which is in normal common language we call it baking powder. Okay, I am using my teaspoon to pick up this soda. This is vinegar. Can you see? Plain vinegar.
Yeah.
You cannot take apple cider, you can take this vinegar. Alright. Okay, what I am going to do, actually we have to see making a gas. How a gas is formed. Children, what are the characteristics of gas? What are the properties of gas? Where can we find gas?
Everywhere.
Gases can be everywhere. Can we see the gases?
No.
No. What can we do with the gas? How do we come to know that gas is present?
Everywhere.
So when we can't see the gas, we say gas is invisible. What do we say?
Invisible.
Gases are invisible. Can we smell the gases?
No.
So we should say gases are odorless. Okay. Can we see find any color in the gases?
No.
So that means gases are colorless. So what do we do when you wave your hand? Everybody, can you wave your hands?
Yes.
Do you feel the gas?
Yes.
Yes. When you wave your hand, you feel the gas. So today what we are going to observe? We are going to observe how gases can be produced. Understand? First of all, what you will do, you will pour some vinegar. Please hold this bottle. Thank you for your help. I am going to pour some vinegar in the bottle. Don't worry, I will upload this video also. Okay, the vinegar is poured. Now what I am going to do, I am going to put this bicarbonate in balloon. You should put at least 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate soda. Okay, can you see I am putting it in the balloon?
Yes.
Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to fix it on this knob. You can see, I have fixed this and I am going to tilt this, trying to pour this soda. Oh, you can say the balloon has inflated.
Yes.
The gas has been produced. It was a deflated balloon like this, but now the balloon has inflated. You can squash the balloon. You can feel the gas. Everybody.
Yes.
Did you understand how gases are produced?
Yes.
Okay, Fatma, just keeping the social distance, show it to everyone. Go. You can see. Did you see? Fatma, touch the balloon and show. Look. You can feel the gas. How the balloon has been changed? Has its size become bigger?
Yes.
Has it been inflated?
Yes.
This is called an inflated balloon. Understand?
Yes.
Everybody?
Yes.
So did you understand how? You can show this to your friends on that side also. Can you see now?
Yes.
Clearly, Aisha Mohsin, are you clear? Alright, good. Please bring it back. Thank you very much. Stop.